My name is John Pratt. I am the Director of Facilities and IT Operations here at the Cove. Doing my research, I selected Avidex. To me, it wasn't hard to make that decision. Meeting the people, very professional. I knew they were going to be the company that we needed to have here. We were able to repurpose a lot of our technology that we already had in our old building. They helped us figure out, oh, okay, this is what you want to do with this room. What if we took this piece of equipment and brought it over here? And we said, that's a great idea. So there was a lot of partnership with them. They helped us take all 64 of these 55-inch LED units and put them in this building. And it was just a huge, huge savings for us. When we had Avidex come and work here, every time they sent somebody over, and I was so amazed, I tested them. Time after time after time, they delivered. That's hard to find. You can't find companies that will give you that same quality of service again and again and again. I know they have a lot of customers. We are not their only customer on their schedule, but they always get back to us in a timely manner. Tech support, service support is top of the line. They just deliver. This ethic to deliver quality service, quality work, quality products, and they have never let me down.